Dad, if you watch this video, I'm sorry. I'll get you a new mini fridge. Oh, all my targets. Oh, gee. So today we're gonna add about half a pound Tannerite to a bottle of fruit punch. Gonna put some extra punch in it. Take two. Fruit punch, say goodbye.
All right, I'm ready.
Ready on the left, ready on the right. Shooters, move your safety selector to fire and fire when ready. Boom. So I don't know how, but they let me buy 5 pounds of Tannerite. So we're gonna put it to some good use. Come on, let's watch it for. So just for you guys, I went out and tactically acquired this mini fridge right here. We're gonna throw about 5 pounds of Tannerite in it, see what's left of it. Dad, if you watch this video, I'm sorry. I'll get you a new mini fridge. Let's go. So we gotta hurry up and get out of here. The sun's going down, the moon's coming up, so we gotta get out of here before the werewolves come. So we're gonna get this refrigerator real quick. Ready in the rear?
Right.
Oh, look, that was still going. You get that, get that.
Jesus.
Jesus. Oh, that all my targets. Oh, I just should have thought about that. That was a lot. Jesus, and we're gonna put 15 in a whole fridge. Oh man, we should have thought that out better. Oh. Well, there's some of the refrigerator. That is very sharp. And here's what's left of my targets. Great. Blow up a refrigerator, it'll be fun. Be good for the channel. Okay. We'll take this one with us. Then we need to get out of here. The moon's coming up. The werewolves are gonna be out here soon.
Bro, we have guns.
Yeah, we have guns, but I don't have any silver bullets, Sydney. The guns if there's no silver bullets? They're werewolves. Bull's not gonna stop them unless it's silver. Have you not watched any movies? Well, after sinking probably $400 into that backstop, we get to drop some more money into it, so that's fun. Good video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe so I can afford to buy my dad a new mini fridge. Give it an extra like, that way I can get some more wood for the targets. And we're gonna go assess the damage. Look at the smoke. Get the smoke. That whole bottom piece of wood's gone. I can't even see those targets anymore. There's like 6 of them up there.